welcome back. My name is Heather and today we are going to be doing a Growlight update. Now, as some of you may know or have watched my previous video, I had actually redone my IKEA cabinet for this particular Growlight, and I wasn't very impressed because, as you can see, the light is very pink and purple, and y'all know I'm not a fan. But I will have to say I'm kind of impressed because there has been some significant growth that I was not prepared for, and I guess neither was my plant because now I'm gonna have to rethink where I'm gonna put it so that it can continue to thrive and grow. But in any case, I'm gonna just change the view and take you on over to the cabinet so you can see what's been going on. I will be turning off the grow light so that you can actually see what it looks like. But in any case, if you like videos like this and you want me to do more reviews, please hit the subscribe button and drop a comment down below, and let's go. Alright, so behind me, as you can see, is my IKEA cabinet with the same grow lights, and I haven't done too much to it, to be honest with you. I just added some plants in here, and the fans are still situated where I had originally left them, and the lights are still attached via magnets. And yeah, I guess I'll just turn off the lights now so you can see what's been going on. And to be honest with you, I'm fairly impressed with the grow lights because it's only been like 1 month and there's been some significant growth. For example, over here, the Gloriosum, and then I think my Splendid put off a new leaf. But yeah, I'll just turn off the lights so that you guys can see. Alright, so like I had mentioned, my fans are still situated where I had left them. The grow lights are still intact via magnets. I did put my Florida Ghost closer to the light so that I can get more minty leaves, and this is one of the leaves that was coming out, and as you can see, it's fairly minty, and this one is probably going to be even more minty than that one because this is the distance as to how far away it is from the light. Now, my Escalito has put off 2 leaves actually. So you can see these are much bigger, and then these guys were the 2 new leaves. So 2 leaves in 1 month is pretty crazy. That means I'm getting a new leaf every, I guess every 2 weeks. But this is the plant that I am gonna have to move out simply because, one, the color of it doesn't look great. I think it's fading because it's getting too close to the light, so that'll have to go. And it's quite unfortunate because I moved out all the shelvings in here so that I can fit the pole, but it is what it is. It'll just have to go. And I have new growths everywhere, so let me see if I can move some stuff for you. We'll start with this one. This is my Gloriosum Silver, and it's giving me a new leaf right over here. So I can't wait for this leaf to unfurl. Super excited for it. And my Gloriosum Zebra round form is unfurling as well. So this is quite nice. Can't wait to see how that looks. Oh, it's so round and so cute. And what else? So my Gloriosum Silver, I'll move this out of here. My Splendid is thriving. This one is in ponds, and it's also putting out a new leaf. So I think 2 weeks ago I had received this leaf, and now I'm getting a new leaf over here. What else? Oh my god, I think everything is giving me new growth. This is my, I believe this is my other Splendid, the mother plant. And we have a baby leaf here and new growth happening. And back here is the Squamiferum. It's doing pretty well. I had repotted this as well, and new leaf coming through. These are my Syngonium strawberry ice. And I think it's giving me a new leaf as well. Yeah, I think everything is thriving and growing. I see new leaves over here. I have a Milano back here somewhere. Let's see if it's giving me a new leaf. Oh, it's also giving me a new leaf. So I'm quite impressed with this this Growlight, to be honest. Everything is thriving and growing, and we're just gonna turn you guys around so you can see me speak to you, I guess. Alright, so while I'm down here, Tofu and we want to give you our honest opinion with regards to the Growlights. Now, I didn't think I was going to like the Growlights just because the coloring was pink and purple. You guys already know I'm not a fan, but in terms of results, spectacular. 2 leaves per month is fairly unheard of for me. I'm used to seeing 1 leaf per month with all of my plants, so seeing 2 was a pleasant surprise. Now, one thing that I would like to mention is that the Growlight does run hot. So in my plant room, I don't have a heating pad in any of my exo tank or my cabinets. If you do, and you purchase these lights, I would recommend removing your heating pad because, like I said, it runs hot. Now, the other thing that I did notice as well is that it might be a combination of heat and the fan. Any of my plants that were closer to the light, such as my Florida Ghosts and my succulents, they dried out so quickly, and that could just be, again, the heat or the fan. But in any case, I'm just gonna have to move a couple of things. The Escalito, for one, is gonna have to be removed from this tank because it's growing too fast for me, and it's also kind of giving off that weird funky colored leaf that I'm not a fan of, and I think that's just because it's getting too close to the light. Now, I don't know if you know this, but when you give your Escalito a lot of light, it doesn't have as many runners, but the leaves look kind of weird. So I will I'm gonna have to figure out a happy medium for that Escalito. But in any case, some of my plants are gonna stay and some of them are gonna have to be rearranged during the springtime. But as of right now, I think I'm just gonna leave it where it is until the spring, or until the Escalito totally outgrows the cabinet, and then I will be forced to move it. So I guess my final verdict on these Growlights would be, it's a win. I can't think of anything bad to say other than the fact that it emits this annoying purple light, but you can still get some Growlights that are full spectrum, but they'll just have less blue and red. Mind you, it may not push off as much growth as this one did, for me anyways, but honestly, the Growlights, they did its job and it exceeded my expectations, regardless of the fact that it's emitting purple light. But in any case, if you guys like videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and drop a comment down below. And if you guys would like me to do more reviews, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want me to review. Let me know what you want me to test out and try so that you don't have to. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!